Hi, everybody. It's Bernadette from the Medfield Library Children's Room, and I'm really excited because it's time to make dragon's eggs with you guys. Let's get started. So the first thing is to decide what color you want your dragon egg to be. I want mine to be a mixture of two colors. So I've grabbed a red and a turquoise washable magic marker, and I'm going to take my Model Magic and I'm going to split it into 4 pieces. And each piece I'm going to press down kind of like into little pancakes. That way I can take my magic marker and I can color the top of each pancake. So 2 of the pancakes I'm coloring with the red, and then I'm pick them up in my hands and knead them between my fingers. You'll see it's getting much lighter. And why is that, do you think? Well, let's think about it. White, there's a lot of white Model Magic and a little bit of ink from the marker. So when you mix a lot of white with a little bit of red, it makes pink. So I'm going to knead this together, and then I'm going to flatten them out again 2 more times and color them with my marker and knead them together so that I can get a little bit of a darker pink. All right, that's a color that I like. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the turquoise, and this turquoise ink comes out nice and dark. So let me color those pancakes and then knead it together with the Model Magic, and that comes out a little darker. I really like that. So I'm going to give it a good knead with my fingers, and then I'm going to flatten them out one more time, each of them, and color them with my magic marker one more time and knead them together. And that's a turquoise that I really like. All right, I want to put these 2 colors together so that I can have my dragon egg have a marbleized look to it. So I'm going to roll out my pink and my turquoise Model Magic pieces with the palm of my hand and my fingers just into kind of like snakes or hot dogs. Put them together side by side, and then you can give them a good twist and twist them up almost like a candy cane. And then do whatever you want to mix the color together. I'm going to fold my candy cane in half and twist it up one more time. And now I'm going to just start kneading it all together with my hands. Now, if you really want to see the 2 colors separately, then don't knead it too much. But if you want the colors to start to mix together a little bit, then keep kneading it and stop before they mix together completely to make a new color, or keep on mixing it to make a brand new color. Mine is now a nice bluish pink purple color. Just start breaking off little pieces and rolling them into little balls. They're like the size of small marbles or extra large peas. All right, now it's time to start making our dragon egg. So let's grab our egg that's covered in tin foil and grab your Model Magic, and I'm going to take one of the Model Magic pieces and I'm going to flatten it right on the very top of the egg. Then let me take another piece, another one of the little Model Magic marbles, and put it up by the top right where I wanted it to go and press it on right next to the first piece, overlapping it a little bit too. And I can just keep going that way. Now, I like to use 2 methods. Sometimes I take the ball and my finger and I just flatten it like a coin. And then I lift it up and I overlap it right where I want it to go on my egg. Other times I just pick up the little marble piece and I don't flatten it with my finger first. I put it right where I want it to go, and I flatten it right onto the egg. I like both of these methods, and sometimes I go back and forth between them without even realizing it. It's really fun to do, and there's really no right or wrong way to do it. You're just using small pieces to cover your egg, and it ends up looking like little scales as you go along. And a dragon, of course, is a reptilian creature, so it is made of scales, like a fish or a reptile. All right, and I'm almost done. It's time to put my last few pieces on. And there it is. There's my dragon egg. I wonder what kind of dragon is going to hatch from this egg. I wonder what it'll look like. Here's an idea. Once you've made your dragon egg, why don't you draw a picture of what you think it'll look like, the dragon that hatches from it. And you can send your pictures, your drawings, and pictures of your dragon eggs to us at mldkids@minlib.net, and we'll share it on our website and on our Facebook page. So send us pictures of your drawings, send us your eggs, and make sure to tell us what you've named your dragon. And we can't wait to see what kind of dragons you create. This was so much fun, and I'm so glad that we shared it together.